Those of you watching know that Misha Axline told you how to fix your own household appliances. Today, she's going to tell you how to build your own house. Honestly, that story plus eyewitness you could build your own home with just a handful of tools in half the time it usually takes to build a house. Impossible? Well, that's what I said, until Misha Axline told me about just such a house in Fountain Hills. Misha?
People behind me started putting up the outside walls to this house just a little over an hour ago. As you can see, they've already come quite a ways. In fact, they think they'll be completely finished with the outside walls to this house in just 4 hours. They are using something called PEP Panels. PEP stands for Phoenix Energy Products, The Innovators. The panels are plywood and polystyrene sandwiches formed with a special process. Walls go up quickly as the panels are pounded into place over 2x4s. Grooves are left for electrical wiring, and windows are simply cut out with a saw. What all this adds up to is savings, an estimated 30% savings off the cost of building. The polystyrene is also an excellent insulator. When this 2,000 square foot home is completed, it will take only a 3.5-ton air conditioning unit compared to the usual 5. The PEP panels can also be used on the roof and the floor for added insulation and energy savings. The owner of this house says he'll be ready to move in just 1 week. Back to you.
I'm impressed. Okay. Phil Allen standing by in the newsroom with more state news.